waiting, bracing for the wave, staying.
Nuestro viaje es de placer. Entonces, mientras más sitios podemos parar y visitar, pues es muy bonito para nosotros. No hacemos el rally para llegar al primero, sino se trata de visitar y estar en sitios bonitos. Pensamos que Cabo Verde es muy bonito.
Sin ninguna duda. La verdad es que no nos hemos equivocado, ¿eh?
No.
Porque realmente hemos comprado este barco para este viaje y también por el compromiso de que primero iba a organizar la vuelta. Y la verdad es que, bueno, entre de todo, los mecánicos, el Víctor con su equipo, con Camille, todo el mundo está súper bien.
And are you doing the straight
Midnight, yeah, direct.
How long are you planning to stay?
The 4th of December we will leave.
Okay.
4th, 5th.
Okay.
So between 2 and 3
Even
days.
when you arrive?
Yes.
You see how many time you have?
Yes, 2 or 3 days, and then we come back here. We go to Barbados. So probably they will catch up with no wind somewhere. And then,
and then you're
and
in the fleet again.
And if not, they start already to investigate where we can have some dinners and things like that. And then when we arrive, we
to
go
have a
directly.
meeting point in the middle of the Atlantic.
Just break it open, confuse the others, embrace discomfort, and change the focus. Forget your lines, we're changing.
Getting there, we're getting there. It's a long process getting everything ready, isn't it, Neil?
Yeah.
Crew's coming on board, so we've got Martin on board, and Nick's just arrived, I think. See him coming.
So's Laura and Beth.
Oh, they've all arrived. So we've got a family.
Family here.
And a baby.
They're not travelling, just coming. Crew coming on board.
Pass him to me. Come this
Pregnant
way.
daughters. Yeah. They're not sailing though.
Oh, no.
Actually, I'm very much looking forward to it. So it's going to be quick. The wind looks at the moment to be totally in our favour, so hopefully no engines, which is good. So coming down from Morocco, we had a day of engines, which was, when you're trying to sleep, was terrible. So this should be good. Confident to my crew, all good crew. So everybody knows what they're doing, and we've got a good chef.
No stress, good chef.
Yeah, good chef. Mum doesn't do the night shift; she does the cooking. So.
I thought you meant an actual chef.
No, Mum's the chef. Yeah. So, but I'm a little bit nervous, but only because it's the first time in a boat like this. So my first time as captain or skipper doing it, which is obviously a bit of responsibility.
Lie awake in the morning with a light upon her skin. Coffee cup before the day begins. Don't go, stay a while, we'll slow it all the way back.
If you feel confident with a good boat, it should be okay.
We love the boat. I love the boat. You guys done an amazing job. I'll tell you.
Thank you. But you know, all this is possible just because of you, huh? and our other boat owners.
Yeah.
We do that for you, but if you're not there, we can't do anything.
Again. Who takes the lead? Well, we're all together in this. So
I imagine a safe start, nice and slow.
Safe, and the number one thing is we're all in this game together. So.
Absolutely.
Stay a little longer, it's only getting warmer. Slow it down, 'cause time can't wait. Hold on to this moment, watch the sunlight pour. Keep it like a picture frame. So stay
Voilà, nous voilà partis grâce à vous. Hein. Ça s'est passé nickel. Ma femme est formidable.
Ma femme est formidable aux manettes, t'as vu ça, la manœuvre?
It's a good example of our mission to help people to make their dream of sailing around the world become true. So it represents a lot of effort, preparation, but now it's the D-Day, and we are all excited to be here. So one day some people have got an idea, strange idea, perhaps with a glass of wine in their hand, saying, okay, why don't we do it? And now they are here, ready to cross Atlantic. So it's an exciting challenge, and for all the team, it's a great accomplishment.